Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Narendrayadavedux. Today I am going to talk about very important lesson which is very helpful for all those students who are beginner and who want to learn English through basic levels. So this video is completely for you, and in this video I am going to talk about ordinals. Ordinals you can see here on whiteboard also, ordinals, and which is very helpful. So if you came to watch my video first time, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. So let's start this class. So students, I'm going to talk about basic levels. So ordinal means what? Just like you already know 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. What is this? What is this? This is basically, this is just like a counting number, and this is numericals, okay? And it is also similar to counting number, but we use these things in our spoken language day-to-day life. That's why these are very important, okay? That's why I thought I should make a video on these things, and because many people do mistakes also. Some people do spelling mistakes and some people do pronunciation mistake also. That's why this video is very helpful. So our first point is first. Just like we always tell, right now also I told first. So first, what is the spelling of first? First, first. And this is the pronunciation of this word first. First means क्या होता है? पहला. And another is second, and spelling is second. Second means दो. Okay, दूसरा. Just like if anyone will ask from you, in which class do you read in? So just like basically in Hindi they will ask you, आप किस क्लास में पढ़ रहे हो या पढ़ते हो? तो if you are studying in second class, then you can tell I am studying in class second, okay? And another one is third. So third spelling is third, third, and pronunciation is third. Third means in Hindi तीसरा. And I write down here something also which is also very important, okay student? Why this is important? Basically this is not very useful in modern era, because in this era people are not using these things. Actually this is the words, this is the things from Hindi numerical, Hindi counting number. Just like in English usually counting number we say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and it is in English. It is also in English. It is like a numerical form, and it is words form 1 2 3, and it is in Hindi language. It is used for Hindi language, Hindi. Okay, just like it is in Hindi, in English, and it is both are in English. So like that. And another one is fourth. Fourth spelling is FOURTH. Fourth means what? Fourth means chotha, and in Hindi we can write like this, fourth, and spelling is FOURTH. And another one is fifth, FIFTH. This is the spelling fifth, and fifth means पांचवा, and fifth. This is the pronunciation. And another one is sixth, SIXTH. Okay, and sixth, this is the pronunciation. How we can say sixth, not six. And sixth means सातवां. Sixth means छठा. And seventh, SEVENTH. Seventh means सातवां. And eighth, EIGSTH. Eighth means आठवां. And NINTH. Ninth means नवा. And TENTH. Tenth means दसवां. So basically I want to talk about it because it's very important, and we usually use it in our day-to-day life. First, second, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. Okay, and if you want to increase your knowledge more and more, then you can learn it from for Hindi language. If you are just like very passionate in Hindi language and you are Hindi lover, so this knowledge is very important for you also. Just like I am very passionate in English language, so for English language it is good for me, and it is good for you also. I like also Hindi language, but as a teacher, as a educator of English language, I like which is related to English. Okay, so you can understand about it. And I hope you really enjoy this video, and you have learned little things, basic things. And if you really found out this video is very helpful for you, then you can share this video for beginner students who are learning, who want to learn English through basic levels, beginning levels, and you can share this video to them. And I hope you really enjoy this video, and you thanks for watching this video. And you can follow me on my all the social media handles, and you can follow me another video sharing platform also, just like uh, Rumble, Odyssey, and Twitter, Instagram, and everywhere you can follow me. And you can follow me for getting latest feedback, latest notification, and latest updates. And wish you all the best. Take care.